Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to show you a simple trick for Excel. Sometimes we face some problem while converting a PDF file to Excel or Word file to Excel, or sometimes we copy and paste from other source. Here is one example. I converted this file from a PDF file. But problem is here all things are converted as text, but here this quantity, unit price and total price, this value I need it as number, but while I converted that time actually it becomes as text. That's why it shows a green corner here as error. If I want to convert this each cell in a single click, then I need too much time. So to avoid this problem and to do the right things in one click, just one click, I am giving you one trick. Whatever cell you need to make text to number, you just press and select all the columns and all the cells. Okay, I am changing all the, I am selecting all the cells. Then you see here, okay, see here on the left side I'm seeing a error signal. So if I click here, then it will ask me to convert whole selected cells as number. So if I click here, it will go away. If I ignore this, then all the round corners or error symbol will go away. So my intention for this work, I need to convert as text to number. So I am converting text to number. Hope this video will help you for your work. Thank you for watching. You see here, it should come one corner like this. Maybe that time I selected another column, that's why it did not appear. So now it appears.